It's officially summer, but before we know it, the kids will be back in school, the weather will start to cool down a bit, and you're going to be looking for dinner ideas that are hearty and that'll warm you up. So let me share a dish that's a cross between a soup and a stew. That way, when you're in the mood for that first of the season taste of comfort, you'll be armed and ready. We start by sauteing some turkey sausage, onion, and garlic all together until no pink remains. Let me tell you, this already smells amazing, and we're just getting started. Next, we add in a few cans of Great Northern beans with the liquid and all, a can of diced tomatoes, a good amount of chicken broth to give it some oomph, a bit of Italian seasoning, and a touch of black pepper. We'll let this simmer for a bit, and when it starts to thicken, we'll stir in a good handful of fresh spinach. Now, this is my kind of meal. It's all made in one pot, so cleanup's a breeze. Plus, it's budget-friendly, which means we can make it often. As for the taste, we'll let you find that out on your own. So head over to your tablet, computer, or phone so you can get the recipe for our Tuscan One Pot. I mean, why wouldn't you? I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting fill-you-up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.